Okay, so next one. Supporting Mumar or non-observant Jew. So that's also a very famous question, right? So somebody said, okay, I have a brother, and he's not observant. Am I allowed to give him money? He's in trouble, this and that, right? He lost his job, right? Am I allowed to pay his rent, or let him go borrow in the bank, or I don't know, his credit card, and me not helping him, right? So it's a very good question. So it says, halachically, a Jew who purposely does not keep Shabbos and is called Israel Mumar. And if he is in need, one should not give him tzedakah. Right? So, halachically. However, there are different halachas regarding someone who does not know any better or does not have a Jewish upbringing. Okay, so that's... okay. Today, most not observant Jews do not know any better, and one would be obligated to support them if they are in need. When one is in doubt, one should consult a Rav. When you consult a Rav, it depends who you consult. I mean, of course, we're not trying to be like to kill them or something. But if I have a choice to give to this person and give to somebody who is a Jew who is really trying to live a Jewish life and give his or her children Jewish education, so there is no question in my mind who I should give, because if I give this person, it's going to be an expense in another person. So I mean the choice is clear. And if you if you ask me if I know anybody like who is this person, not observed, who never knew about Judaism, I don't know. Me personally, I do not know too many of them. Most of the people, they chose to be ignorant, and I'm dealing with people from many countries, and they just want right. They just chose to be ignorant, even though there is a Judaism, and they know the Jews, and they know how precious to be a Jew, and how and they tell me that the stories about the grandparents, what they do during the Holocaust, and this and that, and how they kosher before the Pesach, and right, all this beautiful story. But we're different, Rabbi. We're different. Okay. You're different. So, but the first obligation comes for us to give tzedakah, of course, to our, as it says, amitecha, right? So, what is amitecha? So your fellow, your brother in Torah and Mitzvahs. That's so. If somebody is not observing Torah and Mitzvahs, so this person, unfortunately, he or she, they remove them from this category of my brethren. I mean, okay, what can I do? Of course, if you see that you give them some food and you give them a lecture and it's going to work, yeah, you can give it to them.
Our friend is also asking, well, if one thinks Shabbat, it's, so to speak, not for them, but if they know about the eternal numb, they would keep if they would not keep Shabbat. Does he count as a Israel Mumar?
If he doesn't know about eternal Gehenom and still not going to keep Shabbat, I mean some people they so not receptive. So whatever you tell them, it's like they will make fun of it. You understand? So they might know many things, but they act differently. So is this person good Israel Mumar? So if he knows that, forget about punishment, forget about reward, right? Let's put it aside for a second. If it says that the Jew is considered to be a Jew only when he keeps Shabbos, so that's all, right? And that's covenant with God. And that's what people have been doing for 3,330 years plus. So, and he said, I'm different, I'm in different circumstances. So that's it. Right? Of course, people play stupid. Like we had this video on one of the channels about what is about this nation Kuzari, right? So it was a cut from the clip. It was a cut from the clip. It was like somebody asked me a question, and I gave I don't know, maybe 3 minutes answer from Kuzari. Just explain the book of Kuzari in 3 minutes. Okay. So, and so many people they wrote like all of the commentaries, like and some of the Jews that's what like on some substantial things that can change your life, can affect your world to come. Zero comments, some likes, but zero comments on this nonsense. I mean, who cares? Still, we don't know who these people are. The problem. I mean, maybe some of them Jews, maybe not, but some of them went back and converted to different religions. Okay, so I mean, it's such a irrelevant question. Everybody is expert. I was shocked. Several people wrote pages, and not pages, I don't know, a lot. All the information, analysis, who the Kuzari, this region, that region, what happened. Like, you understand? So my point is, people when they will want to learn something, they would learn. The problem is that it's a hara directs them to the wrong way, right? Why? Because they have no merits. That's the thing. So, but if you take money from this person, so it created already merit, big merit for that person. So while you're there, while he's doing one mitzvah, so push him to the next mitzvah. Understand? That's what I always try to do. Okay. So we can go actually to like question on any topic. So we finish chapter number 3. Go ahead. What else?
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.